इस दुनिया की वो औरत है जो हमारी जीवन दाता है, हमारे लिए खाना पकाती हैं, हमारा ध्यान रखती हैं और इसके लिए उन्हें जितना शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहे उतना कम पड़ जाता है। हर परिस्थिति में हमारा साथ देने वाली वो हमारी माता है।
On this occasion of Mother's Day, I would like to thank all the mothers who are continuously working in this lockdown and where we all are just resting and enjoying our life like Netflix and chill, but they are doing all their work in the home and taking care of us. All the burdens on them has been increased. So they are working day and night for us. We are very thankful to them. Thank you, mothers. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi all! Today I am going to tell you something about my mother. Happy Mother's Day, Mom, to my charming and gorgeous mother. Dear Mama, you are the reason for what I am, why I am, and who I am. There are no words to say you a thank you. The only thing that I can say you is that I love you. You are an inspiration for me. My mom is charming, gorgeous, adorable, remarkable, outstanding, and many more things she has.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you so much. Thank you so much for everything, whatever you do for us. It really means a lot. And I promise you, Mama, that I will take care of you like a small child, how you did for us. And you really cook very delicious food. And you're very beautiful. And I love you so much, so much, so much.
Thank you, God, for giving such a lovely mother to me, who embraces me, who cares for me, who pampers me, who gives strength to me, who strengthens me every moment of my life. When I was just 5 years old, my mother embraced me just because I lost in my race and all my friends mocked at me. She was the person who encouraged me and taught me the trick to win the race. And indeed, I got the first position. Yes, I love my mother the most in this world. And I thank God to give me such a loving mother. Please, God, give this mother every time in my life.
माँ, अम्मा, अम्मी, कुछ भी बोल लो, माँ का दर्द सबसे बड़ा होता है। वो हमारे सुख दुख में हमेशा हमारे साथ खड़ी रहती है।
और इस लॉकडाउन में हम मम्मा को चाहे कितना भी तंग कर ले, परेशान कर ले, लेकिन वो कभी परेशान नहीं होती है। वी लव यू मम्मा। हैप्पी मदर्स डे।
My mother is one of the first indication of the sovereignty of God in my life. She teaches me to have confidence and belief in myself. She is my teacher, my inspiration, and my best friend. She is the strength of the whole family. My mother is the best in the whole world. I love my mother.
Happy Mother's Day. My mom is so helpful. She's so supportive with me. I love my mom very much. I'm so inspired by my mom. I'm also inspired in cooking, dancing, yoga, singing, drawing. She's so supportive. She always helps me in everything. I love my mom very much.
Mama, we love you a lot. You are very beautiful. You make delicious food for us. You help me in taking the correct decisions. You motivate me to do my best. We love you a lot, Mama. Love you, Mama.
I love her. I love my mother. She's friendly to me. She's as a friend to me. And she cooks well. She takes me to coachings, classes. We both have fun with each other. We laugh, we play, and sometimes she fight with me. And she's not only for me or my father, but she serves for the society where she lives. I am proud that I am born to her. Thank
wash Nikes, tons of work she does. She washes the clothes, she does the dishes, she makes the food, she sets the house, she makes it perfect, and she sets the whole family. I want to thank my mother because she's a great friend to me. She's a great solution maker to the hardest of problems I face, and she's a great artist. I want to thank my mother because she made every edge of me very perfectly.
We're lucky to have our mothers around during this lockdown. They work for us all day long, listen to us rant, and come back to us with a smile at the end of the day. Especially during this lockdown period when the work pressure has increased so much, they just never give up. They try to meet the demands of the family, listen to all of us, cook food for us. I think it's incredible and shows that they have a lot of courage and strength as a woman. I'm very lucky to have my mother in my life. I love her a lot. I love you, Ma.
मैं जो हूँ आज वो आपकी वजह से, मैं जो थी कल वो आपकी वजह से, मैं जो आई हूँ इस धरती पर वो आपकी वजह से, पल पल शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ आपका अनेक वजहों से।
मेरी मम्मा सब वर्ल्ड की सबसे सुंदर मम्मा है। माँ ने हमें संभाला है, पाला पोसा है, बड़ा किया है, परिवार का ध्यान रखती है मम्मा। इस मुसीबत की घड़ी में भी घर गृहस्थी परिवार को माँ ने संभाला है। माँ दुनिया की सबसे सुंदर माँ होती है। माँ ने आज हम कुछ भी खाते पीते हैं, माँ हर चीज़ का ख्याल करती है। हम इतने बड़े हो गए फिर भी हमारी मदर हमें एक बच्चे के जैसे पालती है, बड़ा करती है, छोटी छोटी चीज़ का ध्यान रखती है।
Happy Mother's Day, Mama, and to all the mothers out there.
Love you.
Love you.